The 2010 Acura TSX might not immediately catch your eye, especially in a crowded field with more distinctive cars such as the BMW 3 Series, the Audi A4, Volvo S40, or even the Lexus IS250. Then again, none of these brands can deliver the same combination of value, reliability, and low price, which are some of the important factors when purchasing a used car. In fact, when the new TSX base price just started under $30,000, putting a used model in line with the price of a similarly aged Honda Accord or Toyota Camry. Comfort and quality of the TSX aren't quite top-notch, but are right on par for the mid-size luxury sedan segment. Materials quality is high, and fit and finish can hardly be quibbled with. The TSX is powered by a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine making 201 horsepower and 170 pound-feet of torque. With the 6-speed manual transmission, the TSX returns 20 miles per gallon in the city, 28 mpg on the highway, and a 23 combined mpg. When fitted with the 5-speed automatic, those numbers increase slightly to 21 mpg city, 30 mpg highway, and 25 combined. Acura also offers no visual redesign for the 2010 model year, following a complete update in 2009. Overall, however, the TSX presents a clean, conservative look that many reviewers like. Inside, much of the same can be said, especially once the TSX is outfitted with the electronic-heavy technology package. Standard features include dual-zone climate control, USB and Bluetooth connectivity, plus a premium 7-speaker sound system As with most fun-to-drive cars, fuel economy is balanced against performance in the 2010 TSX. According to the EVA, it manages a decent figure while also delivering good power, rated at 20-28 mpg for the 4-cylinder manual, while the automatic boosts up to 21-30 mpg. The V6, on the other hand, is rated fairly close at 18-27 mpg, which is especially good considering the extra 79 horsepower the engine provides. The 2010 Acura TSX comes with all the safety equipment of its peers, including front side airbags, side curtain airbags, vehicle stability assist, active head restraints, and the 3-point seatbelts for all 5 seating positions. The TSX also earns a top safety pick according to the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, a 5-star ratings in every category from the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration. Overall, the Acura TSX is a very reliable and nimble car compared to its competitors. If you guys really like this review, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and if you guys haven't already done so, please make sure to subscribe. Until next time, peace.